What's up guys, XGen Gaming here. So we're here to predict the game between Los Angeles Lakers versus New York Knicks. Tara, game na tayo. So kanina nga pala, sweep tayo. So guys, -5 yung Denver, panalo. 7 yung lamang. 6 pala. Tapos yung Los Angeles Clippers +5 panalo din. So pero Manila yung tinayaan ko doon, matapang ako eh. So ayan, panalo. Dehado pa yun, may plus. So okay, let's go. Lakers versus Knicks game info. Lakers 39 wins, 21 loss, second in the West, while the Knicks has 40 wins, 21 loss, third on the East. Matchup Thursday, March 6, 2025 at 10 p.m. Eastern Time, which is 11 a.m. March 7 in Manila, where Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles, California. So the home court advantage will go to the Los Angeles Lakers. So let's go. The spread. Lakers -4 as of this moment, as of this recording. Lakers -4. Knicks +4. Over and under 229. So ayan. Health and availabilities and injuries. So Maxi Kleber out. Austin Reeves probable. Jordan Goodwin questionable. LeBron James probable. Luka Doncic probable. Markieff Morris out. Rui Hachimura day to day. So ayan, mukhang wala namang problema sa mga roster ng Lakers. Mukhang makakalaro lahat, probable maliban kay Maxi Kleber. So ayan, for the New York Knicks, Ariel Hockporty out. So hindi ko kilala yan. OG Anunoby questionable. Precious Achua questionable. Mitchell Robinson questionable. So for the New York Knicks naman, wala din masyadong problema. Mukhang makakalaro din naman lahat kahit questionable. Syempre, mas malaki yung chance na lalaro yan kaysa hindi. So, for the health and availabilities and injuries, all goods. Magandang laban natin bukas. Lahat makakalaro. So, punta na tayo sa helpful facts. So, pinalitan ko yung momentum ng helpful facts na lang pala. So, Lakers 128-111 winner in most recent head-to-head. Ayan. So, nanalo sila noon nang wala si Luka, wala si ang tawag dito, si Davis. Lakers, tapos after nung game na yun, doon na-trade si Davis. So, nanalo yung Lakers sa Knicks, tapos na-trade si Davis kapalit ni Luka. So, ayos yan, ayos din. Konting history. So, Lakers, last game was a 136-115 home game. Kalaban nila sila Taguro, yung Pelicans. The Lakers have won 8 and lost 2 of their last 10 contests. So, ayan. Napakaganda, nasa momentum talaga yung Lakers. 80% ang panalo nila sa 10 games. New York Knicks have 6 wins and 4 losses in the past 10 games. So hindi rin masama yung sa New York Knicks. 6-4 ang standing. Knicks have lost their previous game at home against the Warriors. So natalo sila ng Warriors last time. So ayan, so pili na tayo. So alin bang pipiliin natin dito? For me, Blazing Hot Lakers -4. So ayan, tinalo na nga nila nang wala si Davis eh, tapos wala si Luka. Pero ngayon pa kaya nandiyan na si Luka. Mas lumakas yung Lakers kumpara dun sa dati nilang matchup. So for me, Lakers -4 pa rin talaga. So Lakers pa rin talaga -4. So yun lang guys. Yun yung prediction natin dito sa game versus Lakers versus Knicks. So yung mga nag-enjoy dito, yung mga nanalo, baka naman nanalo kayo, hindi kayo nag-subscribe. So, please subscribe. Yung mga pinapass forward lang dito sa part na to, wala to. Okay lang yan. Okay lang sa akin yan. Basta pinanood nyo. View pa rin yan. Kahit ilang seconds lang, kahit 20 seconds lang yung pinas forward lang. Walang problema. So, ayan guys. Thank you guys. Yung mga gustong maglaro, message nyo ako. Pwede tayo sa GC. In play, marami tayo dyan in play. So, ayan guys, so sa mga tatalpak naman, bet in moderation, ano lang lagi, alalay lang, unahin yung pamilya, unahin yung mga bills muna bago bomba, yun lang guys. Thank you and good luck sa ating lahat.